like 4 years ago.
But that's long
She
time
doesn't
ago.
look a day over
18 was back in
over
the
20.
day.
She's so beautifully young. See? Isn't she such a cat?
What is something younger?
What? Matchmaker, matchmaker.
You need to let other people know it's her birthday.
It's her birthday.
Once you made 18 friends.
Thank you.
It's her birthday.
You did already.
You did. I remember you. Your face is familiar. I hope you're enjoying your book. Mr. Mance is sleeping.
I'm moving now.
No.
Because I think I'm the only one that's not drunk here. So
What's like on the other side? What are you reading about? No, I feel for that. Oh.
Tom Cruise.
You guys are nuts.
It's her birthday.
It is. Happy birthday.
Where's your birthday? Happy birthday, Arielle. I love you. You're my best friend in the whole world. And you're 22. You live in a shoe. Secret next, that's worth $1 million. And you're wearing Prada.
Arielle, shut the fuck
And you have a nice camera.
up. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Objections to me driving around in Pakistan.
She bites.
Excuse me, you speaker. It's like, it's her birthday. Oh, happy birthday, man.
You guys really want to see her scream, I'll throw her out.
And I like your pink bag. And your purple bag. And your pink.
Let's go, you're getting off.
Uh-oh, Pia. 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 There's more people now.
Excuse me. You just want to see me turn red. It's her birthday.
I want to videotape it. That's why.
Excuse me, sir. It's her birthday. Can you wish her happy birthday? Can you wish her